Hello everyone, this is Vikas from SmallAcademy and welcome to part 2 of our joke application with free API. So in the last video, we created our sample application and we also created this category adapter. Now here, as I said, we have to create the new custom layout for our recycler view items. So we will go to the layout here and create the new layout resource file. So this layout resource file is the custom layout for our category items. So I'm going to name it as category view. Okay, and here I will design the required layout, and it's going to simply have one text view to display the name of the category, and it will be inside the card view, right? So go to the layout containers here and drag and drop the card view, and I always like to use constraint view inside the card view. So I will fix the constraint of this card view here, and I will give 8 dp of margin. And now inside this constraint view I will have the text view. So text view, and let me fix the constraint for the text view as well. Okay, and now let me add few properties for this text. I will make this as the black, and I will also increase the font size to 16 dp and make it not bold. Okay, I think that's fine. And let me add few properties here. I will give the corner radius of 8 dp, content padding of 5 dp, and 8 dp of elevation, like that. Okay, and this is going to be our card view layout for our recycler view. Okay, and now I will make this constraint layout wrap content, and don't forget this step, because if you forget this step then it's going to mess up our design in the recycler view when we use it. So if you get any different layout problem in the recycler view when we run this application, then come back here and make sure that you have wrap content on this constraint layout. Okay, so this is our layout. Now I can go to the category adapter here and reference that. So I will create a new view, variable v, and now we need to inflate the layout. Okay, so layout inflator dot from, we need the context here, so parent.get context, and we'll inflate the layout. So I'm going to reference the layout that we have just created, and here we need to pass the parent, and we are going to pass false, as we are not going to attach to the root. And here now we need to create new instance of view holder, and we know this view holder is going to take the view as a parameter. Here you can see item view, so we will pass the v that we have just created here. Okay, now inside this onBind view holder we will set the received data, that the list of categories that we have received from here, to the text view we have here in the layout. So we are assuming right now we have received the list of string from the main activity to this category adapter class, and we are assuming that this cats list contains the name of the categories, right? So here we can assign that name to the category view items here. So let's say we are having 10 categories, then we have 10 categories name, and we will have the 10 category items in our recycler view, and we can assign the name of that category here in the onBind view holder. So before doing that, I need to reference to this text view here from our adapter. So we can do that inside this view holder. So let me create a new text view class, and let me give the cat name as a variable. And here now I will connect the XML resources. So cat name equals to, we need to find view by ID, but we are inside the view holder and our root is item view, so we have to reference using the item view, then only we can access the find view by ID method. So here I think I have not given the ID for this text view, so let me give that. cat name. Now I can reference that here as like that. Okay, now inside this unbind view holder, we will assign the names. So we can reference to this cat name using this holder. So holder dot, now we can access cat name and we can set the properties. And here I will access the list of categories that we have received, and I can simply pass the position like that. Okay, now this category adapter class is done. Now we can call this category adapter class in our main activity. Okay, so in our main activity, we have this recycler view where we are going to display our categories. So to do that, we need to get the reference first. So let me do that, cat list, and I will make one list of string for all our categories. Okay, here I will instantiate these categories array list. Okay, and I will connect the cat list recycler view to the proper XML resources like that. Okay, now we also need the adapter, so category adapter, and we will simply name it as adapter. And here now I will make the new instance of adapter. And now it is asking us to parameter. It is expecting one arguments. Okay, that is the list of items for category name. So we can simply pass these categories from here. But you may have noticed our categories is empty right now. So let me go ahead and insert few data. Okay, so categories, I can add the string here. I will just simply add some sample data for the testing purpose, and we'll come back here and add another data after some time. Okay, so category 2, like that. Okay, now we have our list is having some data. Now we can pass this from this category adapter. Now the thing that left is to assign this adapter to our category list. So cat list dot set adapter, and we can set the adapter. And also let me add the layout manager for our recycler view. So cat list dot set layout manager, and here we are going to create new layout manager. And here if I just give this like that, it's going to have the vertical recycler view. So let me run this application and show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, our app is running, and you can see we are having this data category 1, category 2, category 3, but it is in the horizontal vertical format. But what I want to do is I want to display this in the horizontal format, right? So to change that, now here we can set the direction for our recycler view. So linear layout manager dot horizontal, and finally we will pass the reverse layout parameter. So we don't want to reverse our layout. That means we don't want our categories to be start from the end. We want to display this category from the beginning. So that's why I have given false here, but you can try adding true here as well and just find out what kind of different output you are getting, and let me know that in the comment below. So let me run this now, and I hope that we are going to get what we are talking about. And you can see we are having this category as the horizontal layout, but you can notice the category 1 is taking all the space here. So let me fix that. Go to this design here, and I will make the wrap content for this as well. Okay, like that. Now let's run this again, and hopefully we will get all the categories here. Okay, now if you have the more than 5 or 6 categories, then you can scroll around. Okay, so guys, this is how we create the horizontal recycler view. So I hope you learned something, and we will continue this in the next video. So if you have not liked this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel so that you will get notification for another videos that we are going to upload in this channel. So I will see you in the next one.